Hi guys, my name is Leif, and in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about letting go. Also, what I spent my summer doing and what's next here on the channel. Let's talk about it.
First off though, thank you guys so much for 3,000 subscribers. Welcome to all the new people who have joined this community. You are very welcome and I'm excited to have you here. I feel like we just hit 2,000 subscribers and all of a sudden, bam, here we are, 3,000. This is getting pretty exciting. Now, if you're new here and you want to join this community, hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let me know in the comments below. So in the last update video, I mentioned the direction we had here in the channel didn't quite feel right. I wasn't excited about continuing it, and I could see room for improvements. Now, in order to make space for newer and better things, you first have to create this space in which that can happen. And that means letting go of things in your life that you're unsure about, or that are downright just not working for you anymore. It doesn't mean that they're bad, you're just looking for something else right now. And this might mean taking some time to reflect and honestly look at yourself. And by letting go of old habits and patterns that don't serve you anymore, and opening yourself up to new experiences, you're allowing yourself to grow. I actually read this thing the other day that I thought was really cool that I wanted to share with you guys. It said simply, grow with the flow. So not go with the flow, but grow with the flow. I thought that was a pretty cool twist on that saying. Okay, now this brings us to the break. I took a break from YouTube this summer to get some perspective and make a solid plan moving forward. And also to take some time off and enjoy the summer. I've been training and working out all summer. I've been doing calisthenics. I've been hanging out in Oslo, which is the capital of Norway. I've been out riding my motorbike. I've been on loads of photo shoots. You can check out my Instagram if you want to see the photos that I've been taking and sharing. I went camping.
So nice and quiet here, guys. The freshest air in the world. Perfect.
Hi-ho, it's off to work we go. Hi-ho.
Hiked for hours, I slept in a hammock, went swimming, did yoga, meditated in the forest, ate, drank. It was awesome. I've also been hanging out with friends, and I even got a new girlfriend this summer. So who knows, you guys might get to see her in some future video. Now, I've also taken the steps to move my life in the direction that I want, which is going to be enabling me to work on bigger and better projects. But I'm still working the night shifts that I had from before, but I have gotten a new job where I'm going to be working as a trainer. So I'm going to be teaching yoga and strength training and dance and flexibility and cool stuff like that. I'm also working on the ultrasound project that I have with my brother-in-law, you know, that video that I made a little while ago, and working on the occasional commercials. So yeah, lots of stuff is going on. But that brings us to now, here now, and what are we going to do on this channel? What I really want to do is focus on one video at a time with a singular focus. So one video might be a how-to video, another might be an experiment, another might be a review. We'll have some guests on, we'll be doing collaborations, but the videos are going to be one single video with one focus, and I'm going to just focus on this and put everything into it and work on this and then publish it when it's done. Now, this is going to allow me to focus on exploring life in the way that I want to and living my life in the way that I want to and making the best videos that I possibly can. Oh, there's also going to be some live streams here and there and on particularly interesting days a vlog. Gosh, what is up with this light, man? I'm using my window as a light and there's these clouds that keep rolling in, coming and going, so it's just changing the lighting here. Hang on, we need to turn this up a little bit. Anyways, let's continue. The goal here is to create a huge community and share experiences, have this space where we enjoy being and hanging out, and a place where we can engage with each other and the content. Now, I want to learn. I also want to teach, I want to motivate, I want to inspire you guys, and of course entertain you while doing the things that I love and spend the time exploring the things that I love. And I'll tell you, you learn a lot about yourself being a YouTuber and making videos. Now, I'm not sure if all this is going to work out and if it's the right thing to do, but I'm at least going to do my best. So how does this sound to you guys? Let me know in the comments down below. And maybe if you've been thinking about something during this video, something in your life that maybe you're a little bit unsure about or that you feel doesn't really work for you anymore, maybe reflect a little bit on it and consider letting it go and creating space for something better to come along.
All right, so if you liked something in this video, you can do this. If you didn't, you can do that other thing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see all your beautiful faces in the next one. Peace.